Let's be clear from the beginning. This ice cream sandwich is not your traditional ice cream sandwich. It's not made of chocolate top and bottom. It's not made of all chocolate base. And it's not your regular rectangular shape. It's different. How different? Different enough that you start by making your edible cookie dough. To do that, you need to start by cooking your all-purpose flour. Get your skillet, heat it up on a medium heat, add in your all-purpose flour, about half a cup, which is roughly 200 grams. Continue cooking the flour for about 5 minutes, while continually stirring and mixing it up. After the 5 minutes of cooking, you can turn off the heat and let it cool down. We can't use the flour yet, it needs to be cooled, so leave it on the skillet for about 10 minutes. Remember to turn it and mix it every few minutes. Let's turn our attention to the rest of the ingredients. Add in about half a cup of brown sugar, which is about 100 grams, granulated sugar, quarter of a cup, which is about 50 grams, room temperature melted butter, about a cup, which is about 200 grams, half a teaspoon of salt, a dash of vanilla extract. Then mix all those ingredients together. Once the ingredients are well incorporated, it's time to add in the cooked flour, and semi-sweet chocolate chips, about half a cup, which is about 100 grams. Mix all those ingredients together, and now we're ready for the mold. What we will do is get an oven dish 8 inches by 8 inches, which is about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Add in some parchment paper or wax paper to the bottom. Pour in your edible dough mixture. Spread it all around equally. If you feel that the dough mixture is becoming too hard, you can always use your hands. Then take it to your freezer and let it sit for at least 2 hours. In the last half hour, you can take out your vanilla ice cream out to soften a little bit. Now it's time to work on the assembly. Get your edible cookie dough out of the oven dish. Break it into random pieces. If you prefer to do equal pieces, wait for it to warm up, then cut it equally. Then scoop up your softened ice cream, spread it on one layer, then add in the other layer to form the ice cream sandwich. You can make your ice cream layers as thin or as thick as you like. Using some parchment paper or wax paper, wrap up your sandwiches and put them back in the oven dish. Remember, we're going with random shapes, so don't worry about using the knife to cut them. You can always use your hand to gently break the edible dough. Once you're done wrapping all your ice cream sandwiches, it's time to let the ice cream set. Put them back in the freezer for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, they're ready to be served. I prefer to let them out at least 15 minutes before serving, just to warm up a little bit and not become too hard. But if you don't plan to serve them on the same day, they can stay in the freezer for about a month. And that's how we made our edible cookie dough ice cream sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your sweet tooth friend.